Hi, I'm Pam Rash, and I'm the General Manager at Eco Farm in Cottonwood, Arizona. We're in the midst of our Birds and Bees fundraising project that we hope to end by May. And we had a little film about the chickens, and I wanted to share with you today about the bees. So we've been working really hard to get the frames and the hives ready for the bees when they arrive. We would really like to have a hive naming contest when we install the nukes that we're going to get this year. One thing that's really great about this project for us is that we're going to move these hives back to our orchard, and the bees are going to help us increase the health of our fruit orchard and also increase our yield by cross-pollinating our trees. You can find out about our Gofundme fundraiser. The link will be in the description, and hopefully you will join us on the journey of bringing birds and bees to Eco Farm.